If you tweet something chisingafarirwe, the police will be kumba kwa baba vako within minutes to arrest you for an offense that does not exist, and you will be headed to chikurubi. Ndisarapinda mashoko buda panguva ino Advocate Mahere chiuya achitaura pamusoro pe-unjust treatment inoitwa kugara munyika yemuzimbabwe. Panguva inei yatina kuti mapurisa ari kuva challenged nenhau yekuguruve kuchionekwa kunzi the murderer wekuguruve panguva ino asingabatiki. Vanhu vauya vachichallenja kuti saka ZRP iri kuita nezvei. Don't forget subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Nenda mberi mobudani kwamuchinza. However, kwaita mhondi akaponda vanhu 12 kuguruve ari kunzi haasi kubatika. Why? Chii chiri kunyatsonetsa kuti munhu uyu abatwe? Apparently he is circulating a list of intended victims and the community is living in fear. Where is the institution that is meant to secure human lives? This community must be protected and there must be justice for all victims so far. When the new leaders Anoya actually replied to this post in the there is something mysterious about suspected Guruve killer Animal Richa 32. Tibila mune members of the community panguva inotoona kuti vanobuda vachitaura vachiti members of the community say the first circulated by the police depicted the suspect is not correct. Those who grew up with him have confirmed that this is not Animal Richa. One community member said the real Richa has a scar on his left cheek and is a bit lighter in complexion. This raises the question of why the police released the wrong picture and whether they are searching for the wrong person who provided that picture they are circulating. Another issue raised is that Richa has a broken hand and the reason behind the injury are not known. How then is he managing to commit such heinous crimes with a broken hand? Richa is reportedly targeting widows, households, and he has a list of over 100 known widows in the community along with the 50 others. Why is he specifically targeting widows? Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe atiri kuona kuti atiri kupika from citizens, ende panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi the ZRP iri in question ichibvunziwa kunzi sei iri kuuya ichimisleada vanhu ichipublisha zvinhu zvenhema. Imbotudzai pamafunguro enyu matodii pamusoro penhau iyi nechiitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu dzamafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.